Hi guys, sanibonani, ninjani, nivukile, akwande. Today is just another day. It is so beautiful. The sun is out. It's summer in the UK, and yeah, as people are outside enjoying some sunshine, just have a look. Have a look. It is absolutely stunning, guys. It's beautiful. So I'm also in the mood, today I'm going to be taking a simple handbag that I bought from eBay for $5 and turn it into something special, something that is going to be bomb and bringing some joy to this life that we have. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this. At the end of this video, I'm hoping to come out with something really special. So yeah, stay put, and yeah, let me just take you through it. This is the handbag that I'm talking about. I got this for about $5 on eBay, or roughly that amount. And yeah, it is a lovely simple handbag, and I mean, it doesn't break the bank, but we want to turn that into something that will look really nice and expensive. I'm gonna be using a 3.5mm crochet needle, and you will need some pearls and some scissors to cut your wool. You need a wool, so I will be using a Premier Value double knit. Let's look at the shade. It's this way. This is the shade that I am using. It is cream white, but it kind of ivory like this handbag, and it will go well with these pearls as well, and also glue. Yes, you're going to use whatever kind of glue that you prefer. I've got a Mod Podge and I've got a felt glue. I think a felt glue will do, so I'm just going to be using a felt glue for this project, and we'll see how everything works out. And yeah, let's begin. I've awakened my creative flair, and I have decided that we're going to just use pearls and place them in this manner, and also use a crochet chain to go around the they look like back stitches, yeah, and we just going to see how many we can lay down. Let me show you how we do a chain stitch. Just a chain stitch, and you start with a simple slip knot and you just chain. So let's take this other yarn and show you how we get our crochet chain. First, you begin by taking your yarn and you go around your index finger, and you bring it down here. I usually hold it with my pinky finger, the little finger, and this one I hold it like this, and I take my crochet needle and you twist it around, and from this angle you take this one and you bring it inside the loop and out, and you pull. Then you pull the yarn, chain through the hole, pull the yarn, chain through the hole, pull the yarn, chain through the hole, and this is what comes out. You can continue like that, doing a crochet chain, which we will then use all around the back stitches of the handbag, and adhere it on the handbag using our glue. I'll just go around and see how many chain stitches I'm gonna need to cover the design that I have in my mind, and stay put, and we'll see how the results are going to be like. Hopefully it's gonna give us that effect that we want, good results. So this is how the crochet chain looks like when it's laid down. I must say that it does take some time because I'm using a felt glue to dry up, so I have to wait for it to get a bit tacky before putting the crochet chain onto the back. But so far I just really love how it's working out. I did think of changing to a glue gun, but I've decided to just continue with the felt glue for now. So I'm just going around, and then we'll see when it's all finished. I just think it is worth the wait, you know, because it is just doing such a good job. So we'll continue with the felt glue. Yes guys, I just want to show you how far the back has come. Now I'm just going to move to the sides and this camera is not showing what I want you to see, so let's put it like this. I think that's better this way. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go around the sides and the bottom bit, and we'll see. The handbag is finished now, and this is how it looks like. Taking a closer look, and this is the outcome. This is how the handbag looks like, and yeah, let me just show you all around it. Oh, I've got glue all over. Just take it right. Some of the glue still needs to dry up. And finally, make a crochet chain that is long enough to match the length of your belt, and then you just pass it through the chain belt as indicated. You can make it loose, or you can make it as straight as I'm making it at the moment. But if you want to make kind of spirals, you can make spirals as well. So at the moment I'm just letting it pass through the whole belt, and then I'll decide at the end what effect I like the most. So yeah, and then at the end you need to take your needle, which has a big eye, and you finish off the belt by just joining this. together. Do that on both sides. And this is the final belt. So now you're just going to put it on the handbag. The handbag is complete.